Good news for you. You are going to live longer. As per the latest longevity researches, every 4 days you live, you get 1 day bonus. In fact, in the next 5 to 6 years down the line, 1 out of 3 people will be living more than 100 years. The world-renowned geneticists Josh Codiaro and David Wood, they published a book titled Death of the Death. In the book, they claims that by 2045, death will be optional. The question is whether you're going to live longer or die longer. Getting a disease like diabetes or cardiovascular disease at the age of 50 and be on the medication and still you live up to 100, whether it is living longer or dying longer, I would rather say that your death got extended. What we should be focusing on is extending health rather than extending death. Having the same energy levels, high productivity and high creativity even at later stages in your life. This is possible using personalized lifestyle modification based on epigenetics. This is what we offer at V-Roots. Why personalization? In fact, there is nothing called a good food or good exercise for all. As Hippocrates said, one man's food can be another man's poison. Nutritional supplements which work for some people can create destructive results for some other people. For instance, vitamin D supplementation can create health challenges for people who are genetically predisposed for higher concentration of vitamin D. Exercises which can give positive results to some people can give absolutely negative results to some others. For instance, those people who have got a genetic predisposition for something called prolonged QT interval, if they undergo heavy cardio exercises, that can damage their heart. Hence, it becomes really important to know your genetic profile before designing a personalized lifestyle plan. This is what is being done using V-Genome test. It is a highly advanced and comprehensive test where hundreds of health conditions which can lead to degenerative diseases can be tested. V-Roots also make you do an online metabolic assessment using a highly advanced mobile app to analyze your present health condition. Our team of doctors and geneticists with the support of artificial intelligence prepare a highly advanced personalized lifestyle modification plan based on the genome metabolic assessment, which is called EPLIMO or epigenetic lifestyle modification. This tells you what kind of food suits you and what kind of food work against you, what kind of an exercise suits your cells and what kind of exercises can damage or harm your cells, and also what kind of medication is suited for you and what kind of medications can work against you, and so on. Once you follow EPLIMO, you are creating a better version of yourself with optimal health, higher energy levels, better creativity, better digestion, and having a great sleep and performing at peak levels in all areas of your life. Start your EPLIMO journey and create the best version of yourself right now.